I'd be lying to you guys if I said I wasn't scared to try out that full ripper tune. Wow, this rev limiter sounds different with that tune. Yeah, no more rev limiter. No more on this video.
Attention, the following video includes AI-generated clips of stunts that are not to be attempted in real life. This video is for educational purposes only. Enjoy.
What's going on today, everybody? Bringing you a quick little intro on the 110 real quick. So I actually recorded this whole video you're about to watch a couple days ago, and I forgot to record an intro. So I'm using what last little bit of daylight I have left to record us an intro, and that's really going to be it. We're going to install the competition ECU on the 450, as well as put our new RSC lever on and fix our skid plate from the last video. With that being said, if you don't care about that, I'm gonna put the time the riding starts down below if you guys want to skip. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you here in a second. Peace. Alright, what's up everyone? We made it back here to the living room slash little bike shop that I got going on right now, and we're actually here to install a couple little parts that we got here. Firstly, I got the GYTR Competition ECU kit. It's going to give us launch control and the ability to change our maps on the map switch button up there, and then as well change the tunes on our phone, which is mainly what the video is going to be about, so I'm very excited to get into this. And then after that, we'll be putting on this RSC 1 finger here. I have the RSC 2 finger on there currently. It's super nice lever. I'm just wanting to try the 1 finger out just because that's what I'm used to from my previous bike. So I was just wanting to give that a try. And then thirdly here, I have a bolt kit because we're gonna put the skid plate back on after it almost fell off last video. So yeah, let's get into that. Alright, so first we're going to put on the GYTR ECU. So we're going to have to take this side number plate off, and it should just be right back here. And we should just have to plug it in. It's going to be a really easy install. So start doing that. So I'm thinking this just comes off somehow, some way, like that. That's not where this goes. Where does this go? Maybe we should read the directions, huh? Underneath the battery tray, disconnect the battery and remove the 2 bolts securing the tray to the frame. Replace the OEM ECU with the competition unit and reinstall the battery tray.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright everyone, we got the battery out, the battery box tray pulled up, and the ECU out. It was really kind of a pain to get that out of there, I'm not gonna lie to you. But it's time we just go ahead and throw it back in. These 2 ECUs look absolutely like identical. One says F and one says G, and one is bank 1 and one's bank 2. And the competition ECU is bank 2, so we want to definitely make sure that we do not put bank 2. Wait, no, we don't want to put bank 1 in. We don't want to put bank 1 in. Right? Everybody say hi, Gracie. Make sure you put in the comments, hi, Gracie. Hi, baby. Yeah, hi, Gracie, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, and if if you guys didn't see these, by the way, something came in the mail. That's gonna be next video. Y'all stay tuned. All right. We got the ECU in there. So now we just gotta plug it in. Like that. I hope that was the right way. Yep, click. So that way we know it's in there, everyone. So about 45 minutes later, I figured out why it wasn't working. I had to go back here and put a new machine in it and say that it has the competition ECU. But in doing that, I noticed that I do not have launch control on here. So I came here, clicked launch control. It says supported models. Yeah, I don't have one of those. So I'm really upset. I was really wanting to do some launch control today, and I know I said in the last video I was going to do some launch control, but I don't have it, unfortunately. So if any of you guys know a way where I can maybe tell the app that this is a YZ and that it can do launch control, that'd be cool. Okay, that was easy enough. Oop, come on, collar. There we go. Alright, new lever. What do y'all think about it? Pretty sick. Matches the blue on the WR back here. As the old lever matched the fork guards pretty well. So, not losing too much there. It's pretty nice, really. But, alright, let's get the bike off the stand, put the skid plate back on, and let's go ride. How about it? Watch out, Gracie. You're in the way. You're very much in the way. Yes, you are. Gracie, baby. You know that? You're in the way. Yeah, baby. Will you get up out of the way?
Attention. The following video includes AI-generated clips of stunts that are not to be attempted in real life. This video is for educational purposes only. Enjoy.
What's going on today, everybody? Got you a sweet video here today. There's a dog. What the dog doing? What the dog doing? Doggo. Is that your house? Okay. I'm glad you made it home. All right, everybody. We're back from the living room, got the bike unloaded. I rode it around for a couple miles just to try to get a feel for the ECU and how the map switching works and everything. And it's a pretty crazy difference. So I have 3 maps loaded right now. One's an aggressive map, one's a smooth map, and the other one's just like middle of the road normal, right? Okay, so here on the Power Tuner app, I have 3 maps that I made. I got dialed way the back, which is like a lot lower ignition timing and a lot more fuel just to kind of like bog it down. Then I have normal 1, which is all zeros across the board, and it's pretty much just going to be how it was out the box, kind of how I've been riding it recently the past couple videos. And then I have fast as boy, with the ignition timing gradually turned all the way up and the fuel pulled back quite significantly. I didn't really want to take any more fuel out than this. I know the app is not going to let me hurt the bike, but like, lean is mean. I know it makes your motor run mean, but it's also mean to your motor, if that makes sense. So I didn't want to take too much fuel out there, but I added all the ignition timing. So it's going to rip on that one. It's not going to rip on this one. It's going to be about a normal 450 on this one. So I got dialed way back and normal loaded up on the bike right now. So let's just kind of see what that does. Also got the new lever on. Looks great. Alright, so we're in the base tune. If the blue light is not on, that means we're in map 1. In the map 1 slot right now, I just have the completely zeroed out tune with like nothing taken out. And it rips. So let me buckle my helmet here real quick. Okay. I did not have my foot on the brake there. That was kind of scary. Alright, so as you can see, this thing is like a really light front end. It comes up almost no problem with the in any gear. Comes up no problem. So we're in map 1, no light on. We're gonna hit about 25 mile an hour, and then I'm just gonna gas it in 2nd gear, and we're gonna see what happens. Ready? Ready? Oh, slow down a little. Alright, so it's a 450, you know, it pulls really good for just being in its base map. Alright, so now we hit the button, it's going to be in its really dialed back tune. I'm going to drop it back down into 2nd gear, hit about 25, then mash it. You can really hear on that 4th to 5th gear change like how much more bogged down it really was. And then when I initially hit it in 2nd, it came up, but it, you know, it I didn't have to pedal it near as much as I did on this tune here. 5, then mash it. I'm gonna put it back in the like non-aggressive tune, and I'm gonna try to like take it over here, and I just kind of want to see how this traction control works. So the traction control is set as high as it can go, and I just kind of want to I was able to launch it, so I wasn't able to shift the motherfucker. Gosh dang. I was in first gear forever. I felt terrible for it. Man, I'd be lying to you guys if I said I wasn't scared to try out that full ripper tune. This thing's gonna haul ass. Yeah, I like this lever a lot more, I think. Oh wow, that was a damn good coast. Good shit. So we're gonna have the aggressive map in slot 1 and then the smooth map in slot 2. So we'll really be able to see like the difference in the two. So she's in the smooth map now. We're gonna put her in map 1, so she's in really aggressive. We're gonna see what it's like. So we're gonna, what is this? First gear, second gear. Yeah, that aggressive map is no joke. Yeah, that front end gets really light. Yeah. Wild, has so much power. There it was. Limiter sounds different with that tune. Wow. Get some outflow going on there. That sounds wicked. Gonna hear it one more time? Wow. Okay, yeah, no more rev limiter. No more on this video. That's it. Yep. Sounds good. Sounds good. Alright everybody, I think that's going to be the end of the video. I'm about out of gas and I really don't want to push this thing back to the trailer. But we got the ECU installed, the clutch lever installed, and the bike's pretty much mint, ready to go to get sumos on it next week. So be ready for that. Thank you guys for watching the whole video all the way through. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Ooh, peace. Yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna light it on fire?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That looks so sick.